Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this simple greenish makeup look right here. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the OPV palette right here. I use the orange shade as my transitional shade and I blend that in seamlessly. Then when I'm done with that, I take the brownish shade from the palette and I apply that in my outer V. And that shade is actually deep brown, but I actually had a bit of black on my brush, so it reflects more of black in the video. Next, I'm going to be trying this new eyeshadow by Brysocrema. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'll leave the details of the brand in the description box below. The product was sent to me by Alexiva PR. They are representing the brand, so yeah. I showed you guys the two shades that I was going to be using by the brand, and also I also had like 5 or 6 shades of the eyeshadow with me, but I decided to go for green for some reason. I was just feeling green the day I actually filmed this look. So those are the two shades that I used. Guys, look at that white shade, guys. It's like a dual chrome shade, which I really like a lot. When you're looking at it straight from the pan, it looks really white, but when you apply it on your lids, it gives you that, you know, would I say purplish tone to it, but it's a dual chrome shade which I really like a lot. It reflects white and purple. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I just love that shade though. So next I apply the green shade as well, which is one of my favorite shade from the swatches that I did so far, and I apply that on my lids, exactly on the areas where I applied the light shades, but I left a bit of the lighter shade in my inner corner. So that's all I did so far. It's very simple, very basic. This look can be created by anyone. You can apply your, any color of your choice, where I actually applied the green. So those are the swatches of the eyeshadows that I received. There was actually one more which I missed, but that's fine. I'll be, featuring that in my upcoming videos. But so far so good. Those are the swatches of the eyeshadows that I received. So next, I line my eyes with the Huda Beauty Lifeliner, guys. I am a huge fan of this eyeliner. As you guys can tell, it glides on smoothly on my lids and I am loving it. And also, there's something I didn't mention about those eyeshadows, guys. They are very pigmented. They're very opaque. I'm not quite sure of what the price is yet, so I'm going to make, an inquiry about that, and I would give you guys the details of that maybe in my upcoming video. But I am a huge fan of how pigmented the eyeshadows had. They applied on smoothly. They felt very buttery. There was, as you can tell, there was no crazy fallout whatsoever, and the colors are popping. As you guys can tell, the shades from the palettes reflects exactly what you see in the pan, which is the more reason why I really like the eyeshadows from this brand. And you don't need to dig in too much to get that pigment you're going for, because they're very opaque and highly pigmented. So next, I move on by applying my lashes by Kiss Lashes. This one is in the style No. I really love this lashes as well. This lashes was also sent to me by Alexiva PR. They were kind enough to send me some of their Kiss products, which I really like a lot. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I wear a lot of Kiss lashes in my videos. So yeah, they were sent to me by Alexiva PR. So yeah, I moved on with my face and I primed my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, which is one of the staple primer that I've got in my collection. Then I applied my foundation by Too Faced. This foundation is very lightweight and it's good for that everyday makeup look, and it's also beautiful in case you're going for that full coverage look. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. Then I highlight my face with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. This concealer is a mustard. It's so creamy and it does not settle on my fine line whatsoever. I applied that on the areas that I actually wanted to highlight on my face, and I moved on by blending it in really well to avoid any line of demarcation between my contour and my highlight. So yeah, I was quite confused. Like, was I doing? Oh, I was not quite sure what I was doing. So yeah, anyway, I blend that in really well. Then I moved on by setting my face with the Fenty Beauty Bloating Powder. Guys, I am a huge fan of this powder, guys. This powder just takes out all the shine on my face. How do I explain this? Look at that. It takes out all the shine on my face. This is actually a bloating powder, but I decided to apply it as my setting powder because the first time that I actually tried it, I love the way it felt on my skin, and everything just blends in seamlessly without any, casting or any flashbacks whatsoever. Guys, look at that bronzer by Brysocrema. Anyway, look at that bronzer, guys. The bronzer is lit and it's so easy to blend into the skin. Look at that. I actually thought that I had too much on me, but by the time I blend it into my skin, it applies smoothly and seamlessly, which I really like a lot. As you guys can tell, I use it to contour my face and all the areas that I think it's necessary for me to contour to bring out the shape of my face, and I am loving the pigment so far. And also I use their blush as well. I'll leave the details of all the products that I use in the description box below. Their blush is so pigmented. I actually lightly tapped the brush on the product, and I got that pow look that I was actually going for, which I really like a lot. Then I moved on by setting my face with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, setting spray, then with one of my favorite highlighter palette as well. So bow and I decided to line my eyes with the MAC liner in the shade, what's it called again? Small down, joking. So I lined my lips with the Huda Beauty contour liner in the shade Muse. This is also one of my favorite nude lip liners. So in this video, basically I use all the products that I really like in the month of September. So the last but not the least product that I used was actually the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Guys, look at that. I got that pow look that I was going for finally, and this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and let me know what you guys think about this look or any suggestion at all. Please feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye, guys.